guys, welcome to day 31 of Inktober, and I still cannot believe it that I drew every day for like 31 freaking days. Oh my god. Trust me, I don't know what will I do with my life from tomorrow, because I've been so used to drawing, recording, editing every day. Oh my god, and I have absolutely been loving this. And maybe for that reason, like I didn't. I just made this video super slow because I wanted to talk so much. It's like the last day of October, and nope, I won't be posting. Like I won't be like waiting to post till the next October. I promise I will be posting in between a lot, but currently I guess I will take a 1 week long break because this 1 month has been so super busy because I had 100 of things to do, and I promised myself that I won't be taking projects in October because I wanted to work on October more, but there were some super amazing projects, so I couldn't resist. And then of course I started working on the 2019 calendar, and I hope it will come soon so that you guys can start ordering it. I'm waiting for it. But yeah, between all this, I still found time every day to draw, record, and except for the 2 days, give it a voiceover. And yeah, I don't know what the hell am I gonna do tomorrow, and I completely forgot to talk about today's video. Like today's theme or topic is a raw slice, and I wanted to draw my favorite thing, my favorite slice, I guess, and that's pizza slice. So yeah, and before I thought I would do like a whole detailed illustration, but since I haven't been doing much of detailed work in the complete Inktober series, I didn't want it to break it sort of. So I just used some of marquees and Posca markers, and yeah, lining up with the pen to brush pen. And I loved how the olives turned out. Like after this you'll see me adding a few details to it with the help of the white pen, and oh my god, the olives look so damn beautiful after that. You'll just see that. And yeah, I loved how it turned. Of course I made some mistakes because before I wanted to like give the cheese also a bit of dual color kind of thing with orange and yellow, but the orange didn't look quite well because it was kind of muddy, murky, cello murky. Yeah, the orange is quite muddy, so I didn't go with it. Like I just kept the whole cheese yellow, and I added the orange to the crust since it was already muddy kind of. And I loved Inktober, and some of you have been asking for like a stationery kind of run through what all stationery I used for the whole Inktober. So do let me know if you guys are really interested in seeing what all stuff that I use. Of course you have seen it in the whole series, but like only stationery kind of a video. Do let me know in the comment section that should I make it or should I not. I'll definitely give it a thought. And that's it for today's video, and the illustration is almost complete. In October 2018, like I had to think about the year of course because I have been working on the calendar too, and I am messing up the years. So yeah, October 2018 has come to an end, and just to talk so much because I had so much stuff to talk about, I kept this video at a normal speed. I slightly just fastened it because sometimes I draw like really slow, and even though this had time limit, I just like it's the last one, so I just like went with the flow and stuff. And I hope you guys I hope you guys still stick up with me, and even after Inktober we'll be making more of videos. So see you guys after 1 week with some new freshly brewed content. Better copy. Oh my god. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.